انه شيهم. ممكن انه شيهم.
How did you my son?
I don't know, where did he come from?
He came from there.
Where? Man, God, what's wrong with me?
Jesus Christ. The f was that?
One interpreter told us they left Guatemala hoping to build a better life for their family. And the year after their daughter was killed, they are still shattered.
Wow.
And they're horrified at the idea that someone could profit off their pain.
Dumbass.
And while we were in Nashville, we also spoke to Democratic State Representative Justin Jones.
Let's hear the song.
Stupid.
What the?
ਪਰ ਜੋ ਟਰੱਕ ਚਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਹਾਈਵੇ 11 17 ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਜਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਫੀਲ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਾਊਂਟੇਨ ਕੱਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਵਨ ਵੇ ਰੋਡ ਬਣਾਤਾ ਐਂਡ ਹੁਣ ਟੈਰੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੁੰਦਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ
bullshit. I'll tell you what though, man. That thing that Rob sent over. Signed up for it. Nobody's logged in for it, but it was like a touch screen thing. But when your boy's got a remote, dude, let's say I'm Apple TV and I'm doing a little Amazon Fire Stick, and I'm taking my email, I'm fast. I'm telling you right now, man, I'm fast. I think I'm in like
guerrillas and driving them out took 20,000 lives at the time, mostly civilians.
As the Israeli tanks rolled in, the villagers greeted them with flowers. The Palestinians were getting to be too much for us, one told me. They said that most
cannot
of the
stop in the middle of the highway,
leaving their dead behind.
And they eventually sailed to Tunis and from there went on to Ramallah and Gaza.
Drive, dude.
But the country has never quite stood on its feet since then. And Iran started spending money and resources to recruit young Shiite men from those border villages and from the suburbs of Beirut, kind of shield itself and to develop a foreign policy avenue where it could pressure the West. Of course,
Where are you going?
It goes back right away, and I hear it highway for that. Really good? Run away.
Vai dar ré em cima de mim, amigo.
Nossa, tu foi rápido, tá? Caralho.
Ow!
You reverse back there now.
Where the little thing?
Yeah, there you go. Don't panic about it, it's okay.
Will they not have seen you, no?
A lot of people don't pay attention to what they're doing.
They're gonna burn a clutch out.
I'll move it from if they want. You're okay, you're okay. The difference between able to, oh Jesus, gee,
Oh my god, that's aggression. Why do you have...
Where is Daddy going?
I don't know.
To help them get out.
Yeah, say so.
There is no course like this anywhere in the world. I am literally the first to do it. So question, you said you didn't like the training thing, right? Mm-hmm. You dislike that. Why do you dislike that?
What the? What the?
Like a dog.
Some cups are bitter, some cups are sweet. You will drive yourself mad, wondering wherefore and why. Life is good, life is good. Life's a bitch and you die. Life is good, life is great. Life's a bitch and you die.
Dumbass.
What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
What are you doing? What the? What the? Doing, brother.
XCY1522. XCY1522. Jesus.
Oh, look at that, look at that.
What's he?
Straight through the red.
Oh, do you know, I told you.
He's on the wrong line.
Oh, my
You know
Lord.
what? They were smoking weed.
They would be funny about it.
They were smoking weed and they was pissing out. They had weed because I said it coming out the thing.
How was that?
So he's just gone on there. I ain't waited. Oh, that's a cracking one.
Yeah,
That is.
that's a good one.
Yeah, so like here they're doing, what the you tools doing?
No kidding. Your lane kind of hits their.
They're about to cause an accident.
Yeah.
full-page ad titled, Dear Microsoft. It was a long, extensive list of advice to Microsoft on how to make a good product, aka why Slack was so good. One final point, Slack is here to stay. It happens for millions of people around the world. We're glad you're going to be helping us define this new product category. We admire many of your achievements and know you'll be a worthy competitor. Slack also published the same letter on their website. Slack was ready for a fight, but they were certainly a bit rattled, and for good reason. Teams added 31 million daily users in a single month in 2020. For context, Slack had 12 million total. There was a great exodus,